Yo, what's up guys, it's me, Pink, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have Buck's feet. Went ahead and plastered them, painted them. I just gotta glue all this fur on with some hot glue, and yeah, these will work pretty good. Okay guys, I got the right foot done at this perspective. It's actually his left on the other side. But I'm about to install this to the wood of the character, so there's the foot, a lot better looking, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this done right now. Guys, we got the feet done. I put screws in and then put Velcro, so I mean they're pretty attached. And now I'm just gonna get the rest of this done and show it what it looks like with all the pant legs down and all that. Okay guys, there it is, all done. Here's it from the angles. And this is actually plaster, so it's a lot stronger. It's lot better material